చూడండి Epi-Cycloid. So Epi-Cycloid is nothing but locus of a point on the circumference of the circle rolls without slipping outside for a fixed circle. Okay na? The path raised by point you can call as a Epi-Cycloid. Ante so there will be a circle you can call as a directing circle or fixed circle. Directing circle or fixed circle or you can call as a base circle. So here there is center of a directing circle. So ikkada there is another circle that should be rolls on inside. Rolls on outside. If it is outside, you can call as a Epi-Cycloid for one complete solution. So this is a starting generating point and this is an ending point. So ending point we get by using a theta formula is nothing but theta equal to small r by capital R into 360. This is a formula. Okay na? So in question they given that, see the question, draw an Epi-Cycloid of a circle of diameter 60 mm which rolls outside of a circle of diameter 180 mm diameter for a one complete revolution. Also draw tangent or normal to the Epi-Cycloid at a point 135 mm from the center of the directing circle. Okay? So first we have to draw a data. In data they given that directing circle. What is the directing circle diameter? Capital D. In the diameter?
180 mm.
180 mm. Ante small r equal to 90 mm. Generating circle diameter capital small d and the 60 mm. Small r equal to 30 mm. So first we can take radius of a directing circle. Radius of directing circle will be, what is the radius of directing circle? Radius of directing circle anta 60. Radius of directing circle 90 mm. So radius of directing circle will be 90 mm. So take a 90 mm radius, draw a circle. Okay. So first I am taking this point as a center somewhere here. 90 mm radius, draw a circle. Okay. 90 mm radius, draw a circle. Next, this point as center. This is a center of a directing circle. This point as center. These two, you have to draw a line. Okay. Now, radius of generating circle will be 30 mm. So now take a 30 mm radius. Take a 30 mm radius. Take a 30 mm radius. You have to draw a circle somewhere here. On this line. Okay. 30 mm radius is you have to draw a circle. You will draw a circle. Okay now. So you are drawing a circle with radius of 30 mm. Radius of 30 mm. Then after, see, this is a radius of a bigger circle. This is a radius of a smaller circle. So this is a directing circle. This is a generating circle. Okay na? Radius will be 90 mm and radius will be 30 mm. You draw a score. Now we have to take a drafter scale. Draw a line. So we have to divide a circle into two equal parts. Before that, you have to draw a line passing through the center. Draw a perpendicular line. See, draw a perpendicular line passing through the center. Draw a line passing through the center and divide a circle into how many parts?
12 parts.
12 parts. So this point is center. This point is center. You have to draw an arc. And this point is center. You have to draw an arc. Okay. The same radius. This point is center. You have to draw two arcs. Cut this circle into two parts. And this point is center. You have to cut this circle into two parts. Okay. So assume you have to join. Before that, you have to join the points. This point to this point. Now if you draw through the center, it will touches these 2 points. Okay. Next, joining these 2 points. joining these 2 points. Okay, assume this is a point as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is a 12 point. Starting point of a generating. This is a P point. Starting point of a generating. Okay, now. So, why you are using this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. We are rolling outside like this. Like this. We are rolling outside like this. అంటే సో ఫస్ట్ టచ్ అయిన పాయింట్ ఏమవుతుంది 1 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 3 పాయింట్ టచ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి మనం దీన్ని 1 అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ఇలా తీసుకోవాలి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ P. Now, so this is a whenever you apply little amount of force, what happen? The circle will be rolls on a outside of a generating circle. The generating circle rolls on outside of a generating circle. Okay, na? So nothing but ila rolls are like this for one complete solution. So one complete solution will find some theta equal to small r by capital R into 360. So what is a smaller? What is smaller? 30 mm. Smaller will be 30 mm. What is the capital R? 90 mm. Into 360. So 31s 33s. 3 ones 120s. Theta ఎంత వస్తుంది? 120. Theta we get as a 120 degrees. Okay na? So now each angle. So how many parts we are doing a circle? 12 parts. So each angle will be 120 degrees by 12. Each angle will be 10 degrees. Each angle will be 10 degrees. Now take a protractor. Take a protractor. What is an angle? What is an angle?
120.
120 degrees. For one complete solution, it takes an angle of 120. Okay. Each angle will be 10 degrees. Approximately 10 degrees. We are dividing circle into 12 parts. So each angle will be 120 divided by 12. Each angle will be 10 degrees. So we are taking a 10 degrees each angle. So I would locate this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Okay. So now this is the ending point of a circle. Generating circle. So starting point మనం ఎలా చేసామో ఎండింగ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ కూడా సేమ్ అలాగే చేస్తాం. ఇది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ మనం వేసుకోవచ్చు అంటే అవసరం లేదు. ఒకవేళ వేసుకోవచ్చు అంటే లేదు. వేసుకుంటే జాయినింగ్ కోసం అంటే మనం చేసిన ప్రాబ్లం కరెక్ట్ కాదు చెక్ చేసిన కోసం మనం ఎండింగ్ సర్కిల్ రాయిస్తాం. ఓకేనా? సో అలాగే దీన్ని 12 పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదంటే జస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ P ఒక ఆర్ట్ రాయిస్తాం. ఓకే. నౌ టేక్ OS అంటారు O to 1 radius. So O to 1 radius, nothing but it will be intersect on 11 point also. So O to 1 as a radius, we have to draw an arc like this up to this circle. Okay. Next, again O to 10. O to 2 only it will be intersect on a 10 point. So so 10 and 2. It will be intersect on somewhere here. Here also it will be 10 and 2. Okay, now if you divide the same like this, 12 parts. Okay, one color goes. Next one after O to 3. O to 3. Nothing but O to 9 and 3 will be intersect. Okay. Next O to 4. O to 4 until 8 and 4 will be intersect. Okay. Next O to 5. 5 and 8, 7 will be intersect. So 5 and 7 will be same curve. The 2 points will be like in the same curve in a choice point. Next O to 6. Topmost point will be O to 6. It will be intersect somewhere here. Okay, now. So nothing but you get the points like this. Join all the points by using a scale. Join all the points. This is the center point. have to join all the points. Okay, so assume this points as same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last will be the 12 point. And also we have to draw the center line. Center line. So O to center. This is a center. We can call as a generating circle center point and directing circle center point. This is a big circle center point and small circle center point. Generating circle center point, directing circle center point. So now we have to draw a center line also. O as center, O to O as radius. O to O as radius. We have to draw now. This is a center line. We can call as center line. Okay. So now each angle, what is an each angle?
10 degrees.
10 degrees. So we have to draw each angle 10 degrees up to the center line. This is a O. You don't know, this is a O and this is a O1. Here you get the point as O1. Okay. Next here you get the point as O2 up to the center line. O3. O4. Ten parts. So this is a O. O1 center, O2 center, O3 center, O4, O5 center, O6, O7, O8, O9, O10, O11, O12. Okay, so this is the construction part. Now we have to draw. See, initially there is a bigger circle. We can call it a directing circle. Directing circle will be rolls on outside. Okay, now starting point will be P point. So now you have to take a appropriate amount of force. What happens? The circle will be rolls like this on a outside of a directing circle. Okay, now the center will be changes from O to the O1. Similarly, the point will be changes from P to the P1. So initially we are taking O as center, O to P as the radius. This is the initial point. Now, if you apply little amount of force, what happens? The circle will be rolls on outside, and the center point changes from O to the O1. Similarly, the point P changes from P to the P1. So, how you get P point P1, O1 as center? We have to cut the first curve. This is the first curve. First curve. This is the second curve. Third curve. Fourth curve. Fifth curve. Sixth curve. Okay. So, O1 as center. Cut the first curve. Okay. Next, O2 as center. Cut the second curve. Okay, so this is a point again. This is a point as P1 and this is a point as P2. Next, O3 as center, cut the third curve. So this is a point as P3. Next, O4 as center, cut the fourth curve. This is a fourth curve. The point as P4. Next, O5 as center, cut the fifth curve. Okay, so this point is nothing but P5. O6 as center, cut the sixth curve, topmost point. So here we get the point as P6, topmost point. Next, O7 as center, cut the seventh curve. 7 and 5 should be like the same line. Okay, so O7 as center, cut the seventh curve. This is a seventh curve. P7. O8 as center, cut the 8th curve. This is the P8. O9 as center, cut the 9th curve. This is the P9. Okay, P9, 9th curve. 9 and 3 will be placed in the same line. 10 and 2 should be placed in the same line. 1 and 11 should be placed in the same line. Okay, P9 AP. Next, O10 as center, cut the 10th curve. 10th curve. This is the 10th curve. Here you get the P10. Next, O11 as center, cut the 11th curve. So this is the 11th curve. O11 as center, cut the 11th curve. This is a 11th curve, P11. Next, O12 as center, cut the 12th curve, last point. Exactly, we get the point as this is a P12, ending point. Okay, for one complete solution. Whenever the generating circle rolls on outside of a bigger circle, directing circle, for one complete solution, we get the angle will be 120 degrees. Angle will be 120 degrees. This is a starting point and this is a ending point. Okay, na? So now trace all the points by using H pencil. H pencil. By taking H pencil, draw a smooth curve like this. P, P1, P2. Here is a P3. This is a P3. P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, P12. Okay. Then after by taking HB pencil, this is by taking HB pencil, draw a smooth curve. P, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P9, P10, P11, P12. Okay, so this is a curve we can call as a Epi-Cycloid curve. We can call as Epi-Cycloid. So the total angle will be theta equal to 120 degrees. By using a formula, theta equal to small r by capital R into 360. Okay, now this is an Epi-Cycloid. So this cycle you can call as generating circle, or you can call as rolling circle. This circle you can call as directing circle, or you can call as fixed circle or base circle. Okay, or you can call it this is a moving circle. Okay, now so now we have to draw the tangent normal. So in question they given that also draw a tangent or normal Epi-Cycloid at a distance of 135 mm from the center of the directing circle. So now take a scale, take 135 mm. Take 135 mm. Take 135 mm. Okay, now take 135 mm. Take 135 mm. O as center. Take 135 mm distance. You have to cut the Epi-Cycloid curve. See, we get the point here and here. Okay, so we get the 2 points. One is here, another one is here. So there is a chance to draw a tangent normal 2 points. మనం ఏదో పాయింట్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ దిస్ పాయింట్ యాజ్ ఏ టాంజెంట్ పాయింట్. సో దీన్ని మనం ఏమనుకుందాం అంటే దీన్ని ఏమనుకుందాం క్యూ అనుకుందాం. ఏమనుకుందాం క్యూ పాయింట్ అనుకుందాం. సో నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ ఎ క్యూ? 135. Will be radius will be 135 mm. Radius will be 135 mm. So radius will be 135 mm. Okay, what is the radius of generating circle? Directing circle? 90. Radius will be 90 mm. Okay. What is the radius of generating circle? 30 mm. Diameter will be? Diameter anta? 60 mm. Diameter is 60 mm. Generating circle diameter is 60 mm. Radius of directing circle 90 mm. It will be 135 mm. You have to draw a tangent number. So take it 135 distance. You have to draw an arc. It will be intersect on a Epi-Cycloid curve somewhere here. You can assume as a point as P. Q. Now, what is the radius of generating circle? 30 mm. So now take a 30 mm radius with compass. Radius of generating circle. Q as center. Cut the center line. So it will be intersect somewhere here. That point you can assume as a R. Now, join O to R. Center to the R. Okay, now whenever if joining from O to R, it will be intersect on a directing circle somewhere here. That point you can assume as S. Okay, now join by using scale. Join S to the Q. S to the Q. So that is a tangent. That is a tangent. And take a protractor. Place a tangent line. Exactly at the Q point. Locate an angle of 90 degrees. Locate an angle of 90 degrees. Okay, so now join Q to that point. So that is a
Normal.
sorry, this is a normal. This is the tangent. This is the tangent T dash T, and this is a
Normal.
normal.
N dash.
This is normal. Normal. N dash N. You can call as a N dash N. ఓకేనా? సో అర్థమైందమ్మా ఎలా రాయాలి అర్థమైందా? ఓకే